and you really wouldn't see it, but I got home from school not long ago, but I finished my homework. Powder. I mean, I look very, like, glam. I need to get down my eyes. Hello, welcome back to the Mother and Daughter channel. I'm doing a makeup tutorial by myself, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, so let's get started. So the first thing you have to use when you do your makeup is primer. I don't know if you can see, primer. So let's just put it on. I can't get it on my finger, but I got it on my hand, so put it all over my face. I'm not used to putting makeup on, but I really like lipstick, so I don't know why. It's just like the only thing I like. There's a mirror down here, so that's why I'm looking down. I'm probably going to be looking down. I actually never did a video by myself before, but I don't know why I'm putting it on my cheek. I don't know why. Okay. I wish I had something like a rag, but I don't. Let's put like some down here too. I'm just wiping on my clothes. Okay, let me put the lid on my phone. The next thing is foundation. So I don't know if this is really my color, but should I open this or just... What the heck? Oh, gotta spin the top off. How do you do this? Color. So I'm not. I have to blend it very hard. It'll probably make me look orange. I mean, so in one day on Christmas, I had like this one makeup set, like eyeshadow, like nail polish. And once I put it on, and I used the blue one, and it would make my eyes pop out. And you really wouldn't see it, but it would make my eyes really pop out. I don't know why. It just would make it like pop out so much. I gotta get this everywhere, she said. I just got home from school not long ago, but I finished my homework, so I did this video. And my hair's pink, and one of my friends freaked out. Like, she's like, "What did you do to your hair?" I'm like it's for cancer. I'm gonna keep wiping on my dress. Okay. Next thing is powder. So, like, how do you open this thing? I'm gonna struggle. I forgot where powder goes. Let's put it on my face. Let's just put it all, like, I need to blend that in. Let's just put this powder all over my face. I put my tongue, like, on where I'm at so I can get that part. My mom said, "Yeah, they look good after this." I'm like, "What?" She's like, "Yep." And next thing is a blush. I'm not good at blush, people, so we got this. And next, this is the blush I guess she uses, but yeah. It's like, I don't know what I'm doing. It's just like I'm horrible. I'm not even getting it on. Oops. When you get too much, do this. Okay. I think that's good enough, people. So she told me about, I forgot what it's called. I have to think about it. If you know, I don't know, but I use this kind of brush. She had this brush kind of for a long time. I don't know how to open this. How do you open this? Please, somebody help me. Cannot open this. How? Just, I had it. This is what it looks like in the inside. It smells good. I don't know what I'm doing. How do you use this brush? I don't know what I'm doing, people. Oop. Okay. Looking good so far. I don't know what I'm looking at for. Gotta fix that, people. I don't know how to do anything, people. We gotta make it look even. Okay, that's too much. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, people. But That's done. Time for eyes. She gave me this one to you. So here's all the colors if you can see. Don't know if you can see. I don't know what color to use because I like black. That's my favorite color is black. I don't know why. But here's my brush I'm gonna be using. I feel like more, she said like use a pinkish, but I'm using Chopper. I don't know how to read it, I guess. So, yeah. I'm kind of good at my eyes. Can't really see Chopper on me, so let's go find it. Put hard on it. When I'm at put hard, I use the brush really hard. Put my finger like this. I do not look bad. I'm just like, close. Oh my, it's so beautiful. Thumbs up if you like my makeup after this. I'm a twinkle. Oh, look at that, people. I mean, I look very like glam, like. Eyes, you'll see. I don't know if you can see because I'm. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna do my mascara off video because I'm not sure how to do it, so I'm gonna need some help. But see you back. I don't know if it's 1 minute. I'm scared of mascara, people, but I'll be back in a couple minutes. So 1 minute. I got my mascara on, so now I'm gonna do my lips. So kind of. I like doing fishy lips, I yet. So you guys know when people do top and bottom, I'm not good on like this. It doesn't get me, so I have to like do both sides. I actually never wear mascara. Kind of feels like a mint on your lips on this one. So there's like this spray. I don't know what it's called, like a spray. It's called Morphe. It's called setting spray. So I'm not used to it. Setting spray. Oh, I did use this one if I haven't showed you. I think the close my eyes. I'm not sure, but I look good. I think I'm not really used to putting a whole bunch of makeup on because, you know, I'm only 8 years old, but I'm about to turn 9 in November. Okay, ready? Okay, you just did that. So, I think that's the end of my vlog. So, if you guys like how I'm doing it all by myself, you can comment more videos that you want me to do myself or her by herself. My mom, of course, she's not even there. But yeah, so I didn't put. This is like a full face makeup. I'm not used to mascara. I'm not used to lipstick. Actually I am. But I'm not used to putting like blush or setting powder for blush or really that. I don't forget what it's called, but I'm not used to separate things on my face of makeup because like mascara, I'm not used to that yet. But it's like you're separate of what makeup you like, but I kind of like most makeups. This is like a setting spray. I don't know what it does to you, but I don't know. But I do not like mascara. Comment down below if you like mascara or you don't, because I don't like mascara. I haven't worn mascara in a long time, and I don't have like a lot of things, but I think I have more than my mom. They're like longer than my mom's. But yeah, so thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, like, and subscribe. I don't know what I'm saying because I'm not used to doing my own video yet. So yeah, so bye everybody.